Politics, gun control, and AI replacing human jobs. It's difficult to make decisions around these topics because of the known and unknown consequences. Imagine you're a decision maker. Would you rather push for AI to accelerate progress? Or do we want to retain human jobs out of moral obligation? Hi, my name is Carl Kaw, and I present to you The Gray Area, the bias mitigating newsletter.
Over the years, critical thinking has gone down and the world is more divided than ever. Social media algorithms prevent us from evaluating other perspectives. It cages us into specific ideologies it thinks we want to consume because this sustains attention, giving room for more ads, increasing their revenue. Short-form content like TikTok trains people to accept information at face value and make quick judgments. This can be hard to unlearn because once an idea is cemented, new ideas will be uncomfortable to tackle. Because of this, the development of new leaders are slowed down. Worse, because leaders today have demanding responsibilities, they have little time to learn about rising issues. This ultimately harms the UN's 2030 goal of promoting peace, justice, and strong institutions by taking away holistic information for decision making. Which is why we developed the Gray Area. We are on a mission to empower busy decision makers by delivering concise, objective summaries of daily headlines while articulating the opposing viewpoints on issues to their inbox with AI for the sake of critical thinking. But wait, who are the decision makers? Our target users include Rachel, a government official who works around a specific end of the political spectrum. She wants to make evidence-based decisions for her people, but is busy and relies on coworkers' research. John is an executive of a tech company with 50,000 employees. He has no time to spare because he is always in meetings, but he wants to mitigate the risks of new technology and make sure his company is innovating responsibly. Emily is a fresh grad who wants to use knowledge about social and environmental issues as an edge to make up for her lack of experience and make a positive impact. Which is why we designed our newsletter to have 3 features. 1. Objective summarization. We harness the power of AI to make unbiased and concise summaries. 2. Points for and against. We want to train readers to look at the other side of a story first before making judgments. And 3. Custom thumbnails. Grabbing user attention and retaining them will be easier with contextual and customized thumbnails. But wait, how do you ensure that the content is quality and bias-free?
The technical architecture of the newsletter will consist of 3 main parts. The first part is when we use News API to get the top headlines for the day. If, for example, the top headline is about the academic effects of ChatGPT, we are going to pull up the articles about it, get the content, and divide this content to 3 most positive, 3 most negative, and 3 most neutral parts. And then we sprinkle some AI magic onto it.
We then utilize OpenAI's GPT-3 model to blend the news together. And then from that, we create an objective summary and a point for and against the issue at hand. Building on the example, what exactly are the effects of ChatGPT right now? And what's one good thing about it and one thing bad about it? We then use that output as a prompt for DALL-E to create a custom contextual thumbnail article and also to create the actual objective title of the article and the respective category it belongs to. We all compile and bundle them up, then we send it to the backend.
We use Firebase to save AI output and store emails collected by Google Form. Once a day, we run Python scripts that creates a newsletter from generated articles and HTML.
But wait, is it sustainable?
The Gray Area currently costs $2 a month per subscriber on our site to make. And we are looking to break into the $5.8 billion e-newsletter industry. And their biggest players such as the New York Times and The Economist each charges $20 and $25 respectively. Even our closest competitors, Ground.News, they charge $8.33 a month and they don't even come close to what we're offering.
Our business model is really simple. We have subscribers who can read for free with quality ads provided by Substack, or monthly subscribers who pay $4.99 a month for the premium experience. We also have corporate subscriptions with minimum 1-year lock-in. So, what exactly makes premium worth it? From more news with no ads, to support in 90 languages. We can even let it explain like you're 5.
This is our team.
We're all freshmen, but we're ambitious. Really ambitious.
Though we have some limitations now, Our future plans range from hearing the gray area right after your morning alarm to making a dedicated news search engine for power users.
Thank you. We hope the gray area helps us all work towards a more colorful world.